Welcome back to What's in the
Today on Aurora's Little Lab, we defy gravity using balls and a pet hairdryer. Let's bend some brains and blow your mind. I have a question for you. Why wouldn't you use an air blower like a hair dryer or a vacuum on reverse? When you hold a ball in the stream, why does it float? It all comes down to low pressure and gravity and something called the Bernoulli principle.
Up first, let's have a bouncy ball, my favorite color pink. Next, let's have a dog ball. Next, let's start a tracing ball. Next, let's have a pink tennis ball. Next, let's have a foam bowling ball for kids. Next, let's have a basketball tin ball.
Ever wonder how airplanes fly? Or why kites soar into the sky instead of crash back down? Let's talk about one of the coolest principles in physics, the Bernoulli principle. It's not magic, it's science. Named after Swiss mathematician Daniel Bernoulli, this principle basically says, when the speed of a fluid, like air or water, increases, its pressure decreases. Let's break that down. Faster air equals lower pressure. Slower air equals higher pressure. This is exactly how airplane wings work. Airplane wings are curved on the top and flatter on the bottom. As the plane moves forward, air has to move faster over the curved top, which lowers the pressure. The slower air underneath has higher pressure, and that difference pushes the wing and the whole plane upward. We call that lift. Kites do the same thing. The breeze flows faster over the top of the kite, reducing pressure, while slower air below creates higher pressure. Boom! Lift happens and the kite takes flight. Here's a fun experiment you can do at home. Take a hair dryer or something else that blows air and place a lightweight ball in the airstream. The ball floats. Why? The fast-moving air around it creates a low pressure zone that keeps the ball in the center. If you try to knock it out, it snaps right back. Okay, sports fans, this one's for you. Ever see a curved ball in baseball or a bending soccer kick? The Bernoulli principle is at work here too. The spinning ball changes airspeed on one side, lowering pressure and causing the ball to curve. So next time you see a plane take off, a kite dancing in the wind, or a curveball, you're not just seeing fun, you're seeing physics in action. And it all comes back to the Bernoulli principle. Who knew air could be so uplifting?
Up next, let's have a puzzle ball.
We got this leaf blower we're gonna try with these bigger balls. Now I'm going to demonstrate something for you with a simple strip of paper. If we place it just below our mouth and blow, with just a simple sheet of paper, we can demonstrate the Bernoulli principle. Try it at home. Send us some video clips. Show us the funny faces that you make when you're blowing on the strip of paper.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Hey, you got that?